Algorand will be valuable in the future. Here's why. Since the meltdown of the cryptocurrency market in May 2022, Algorand has been on a bad run to say the least. When the Terra Luna episode happened, the nature of the entire cryptocurrency market changed, and the ALGO coin fell victim to it as well. It was trading at about 77 cents, but it dropped to 37 cents in just a matter of days because of Terra Luna. The price dropped to 27 cents after some stabilization on the same day as Bitcoin's price dropped to $17,744. The coin has been trading between 35 and 28 cents ever since. The Algorand coin will definitely need some time to recover from this roadblock before it can start to go up in value again. Before making any final decisions, let's look at the price movement of Algorand more closely. But first, we'll give you guys a quick rundown of the platform and the reasons why it might be profitable in the future. Let's get right into it. What is Algorand? Algorand is a blockchain platform that overcomes the challenging aspects of decentralization to offer blazing fast transactions. They saw that there wasn't much opportunity for development left in coins like Ethereum, so they took advantage of the benefits that proof of stake has, which Ethereum still hasn't started making use of. What they've done is the team at Algorand Network has created interface libraries that will set new trends. The network has introduced a special coin called ALGO, which is already quite popular on well-known exchanges and is growing at a rate comparable to other cryptocurrencies. When Algorand is integrated into decentralized apps for payments, settlement can occur anytime and wherever, and the verification of transactions is handled quickly and at the lowest cost. Additionally, Algorand's smart contracts, or ASC1s, are fully decentralized programs that operate on their blockchain, so users don't need to worry about any errors or any concern about hacks, since these smart contracts are built into Algorand to provide security, powerful speed, and cost effectiveness. ASC1s have the ability to automatically apply complex algorithms as well as simple rules and logic that define how assets can be transferred. Algorand's strength comes from its functionality and the fact that it's an open source blockchain network, which pretty much means that everyone can access the history of ALGO coins. Moving on, the latest news and trader attitudes have a big impact on a lot of things in the cryptocurrency market. So keeping an eye on what's going on in the crypto world is very important. In 2022, the ALGO coin experienced a lot of acceptance. The partnership between FIFA and Algorand is one of the most notable acceptances that the platform got. In this collaboration, FIFA provided sponsored assets, while Algorand assisted FIFA in building their digital assets strategy. Algorand and El Salvador have also partnered up to create blockchain infrastructure. Not only that, but Algorand has even worked with the Air Europa airline, and they recently released NFTs using Algorand's blockchain. With this partnership, Air Europa became the first airline to ever use a blockchain for inventory distribution and management, so this is huge news. The Algorand blockchain's strength and stability are proven by all of their collaborations and partnerships, and its adoption will probably boost the value of the ALGO coin at some point in time when all is right in the crypto industry. Heck, they can even take pride in working with FIFA. But how does this actually influence the value of their token? Let's take a look. Algorand price prediction. How traders think has a big impact on how the market will perform. And right now, most traders aren't very keen on trading cryptocurrencies, so that's one of the reasons why cryptocurrencies have lost most of their cool. With that being said, Algorand has a market capitalization of $2.2 billion and trades for about 32 cents at the start of August 2022. Let's look at the token's price history before we talk about Algorand's price prediction. Algorand's price was at 25 cents at the end of 2019, but it quickly jumped to 49 cents in the first 2 months of 2020. The March crash later in 2020 led to a big dip in ALGO's price. Over the following 5 months, the price rose to 66 cents. The ALGO token eventually reached the $1 milestone after a long seesaw ride with lots and lots of ups and downs. At the $1.7 point, investors started selling to bank their profits, which caused the price to drop, and by the end of 2021, the price had bounced up and down like it was on a seesaw again, to $2.37. The ALGO price made 3 attempts to achieve the same level, but they were unsuccessful. The entire cryptocurrency market crashed this year before the price could kick into gear, and ever since then, the Algorand coin has been battling to climb in value. Our Algorand price estimates predict that by the end of this year, the coin's minimum price might be around 20 cents, but let's see what forecasting websites have to say. According to Wallet Investor, Algorand's historical data gives it a C grade, making it a bad long-term investment. They predict that it will cost a maximum of 30 cents and a minimum of 29 cents. Meanwhile, Trading Beasts predicts prices by examining the market's historical behavior, and they predict that After increasing to 45 cents this month, Algorand prices will decline in the coming months and trade at 42 cents by the end of this year. In 2023, the price will continue to decline until April, before it finally settles at 34 cents and rises to 42 cents once more in December. Future estimates suggest that it will continue to be viewed as a poor investment in 2024 and will trade at 44 cents in January and end at 58 cents in December. Its price will start to rise in 2025, peaking at 69 cents in December after beginning the year at 59 cents. So if profits are your goal, don't hold out much hope for the ALGO currency. But let's talk about what can affect the price because it's important to know, isn't it? What determines the price of Algorand? Investors, marketers, and fans' interest in Algorand's technology offerings will increase with each update. The truth is that people gravitate towards things that benefit them. For instance, Algorand's price activity spiked in 2020 because they launched Algorand 2.0 with lots of improvements that benefited users. As a result, things like Algorand collaborating with other businesses that can benefit Algorand users help the platform and its coin gain popularity and attract more attention. In truth, partnerships lead to growth and increased exposure, so it's a very smart move to make. The Vital Pass, in which Algorand collaborates with Ayuna Ideas in South America, is one extremely special partnership that Algorand decided to bring to the table. The project's objective was to use the Algorand blockchain to track local vaccination efforts. These partnerships were formed quickly, and the Algorand platform will gain popularity with more partnerships. And while the long-term effects of all of this will probably increase the price of the ALGO coin, don't expect to see any short-term profits. Another important thing to note here is that the use of social media can help updates and information from a cryptocurrency platform spread like wildfire. As a result, when a platform updates, both the update and the expected reaction from the average citizen trend on social media. Social media is one of the reasons FOMO is so popular. Everyone will want to take part in a token discussion if someone tweets something interesting about it. FOMO is fueled by this. But investments made out of fear of missing out aren't always the best, since they're motivated more by strong feelings than by well-researched facts. Conclusion. Compared to Ethereum, the Algorand blockchain system provides quick and low-cost transactions. This has been the main selling point for Algorand. Additionally, developers are choosing Algorand to create smart contracts simply because they managed to bag a collaboration with FIFA. In actuality, a sense of community is not enough to allow people to retire, pay their rent, or perform other duties. We also need to be aware of the possible rewards of supporting the network. So we firmly believe in ALGO, its potential, and the technology from an educational standpoint. There are capitalist investments, which means that people invest in ALGO because they want to profit from it. Although ALGO coin's market value is increasing, it's not intended to be a strong runner. It's intended to add value rather than be the most expensive and profitable cryptocurrency. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. Please leave a comment below to tell us what you think about Algorand. Also, if you're interested in crypto and want to hone your crypto skills, follow the link in the description for our intensive crypto course.